Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I just did a video last night on how to draw this line. This is a hairline cutout, and I actually made a protractor out of it. So if you didn't watch that video, you might want to watch that. But I just made another video and I was loading it, and I thought I was kind of playing around, and there's an easier way to draw this line, because I was in my basic shapes docker, and I got this cylinder right here, and I'm just going to draw a shape like that. I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and I'm going to delete that. I've already got rounded lines. Now what I would do is to take these lines and delete those. No, I'm actually going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill it in to get a better line. And when I say a better line, you'll see what I mean in just a second. When I click on this one with my Smart Fill tool, I get double nodes. And on this one, I don't, because this is actually joined together from what I cut. So if you use the Smart Fill tool. So we need this thing to be lock our ratio, and we need it to be 0.0625 wide. Now, I've made it really, really little, but it's what we need. And now I'm going to change my nudge distance to 10 inches. I'm going to grab the shape tool. I'm going to grab these two nodes, and I'm going to hit my down arrow key. And now I have, it's going to be a little bit longer than 10 inches, but you can shorten it. And it's 0.625 wide. And it's 10 inches long, roughly. And if you wanted to shorten it, I'm sure you could just shorten it to whatever you wanted. And you've got those rounded corners. And it did distort the rounded corners a little bit when you do that. So the best way to do that would be to move the nodes. So let's just do this. Let's say we want it to be exactly 10 inches long. So we've got 0.2491. Let's change our, let me get that number again, 0.2491. Let's change our nudge factor to 0.2491. Let's get these two nodes, and let's just cursor it up. Now let's see how long it is. And it's 10 inches. I've got it extended out pretty far on my digits, but it's 10 inches by 6.25. So now you've got a hairline cut line that's real thin, and quite possibly a pencil would run through there. I've not done a test, but that's what the gentleman was making with the protractor. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.